These are the smallest glasses I've ever seen. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I got these because I may need reading glasses, but more than anything, I was just kind of interested in the ad that I saw about these. So a lot of people wear reading glasses. Some people just kind of want them. Some people actually need them. And having them with you all the time can be a little bit of a pain. And if you are going on vacation, traveling, those types of things, I know a lot of people won't even take them and they'll just buy them in a Walgreens when they're there. But I saw this little case. It's by ThinOptics here, and it has a pair of reading glasses in it. Now, it does come with this little key ring right there, so you can absolutely tie these onto a keychain, maybe a backpack, your briefcase, that type of thing. But it's just a little plastic case, and it has like these aluminum sides on it and this little slider, and inside is a folded up pair of reading glasses. They're more like reading goggles as opposed to glasses, but you can see them pushing out there. Kind of looks like butterfly wings, and I'm just kind of super curious about these things. So there they come out, and you might be able to see it there. There's kind of a top and bottom tooth on the slider. So I guess this little thing right in here, and it seems to be silicone covered. So it's a little bit grippy, and that it gets pushed in there. Seems maybe a little hard to do just because of how flexible that is to get it back in there. But you might be able to see me kind of get it back in there. Okay, you kind of just push it in there, and then it goes beyond those two little teeth. You can see it moving back and forth there a little bit. But that middle nose bridge bar is so flexible now I can just kind of pull that down and they go right back in there. So as far as I can tell, this is the world's smallest, most compact, most portable pair of reading glasses I've ever seen. All right, now these little glasses here aren't that big. You can see the lenses are pretty flat. Everything about this seems polycarbonate. You can see that basically we have a very tiny spring. I actually was going to say it's like a wire, but I think it's like a tiny wound spring, which is why it can flex so much without breaking. And then we have, these are like a harder plastic, but they have a texture. It's like a rough, almost sandpaper-like surface right there. And that's how they stay on the nose. So I think they're going to really grip on your nose, even if your nose is a little greasy. I don't think that's maybe a problem. You can order these, I think, in some different magnifications. So I think this is like 1 or 1.5, something like that. But I just found this kind of fascinating, and you can see, again, plastic here, and I think this black portion is just like painted on. So it kind of gives them glasses-like look. You can see they droop just a little bit. So let's try them on and see what we think. So I'm kind of curious if these will stay on my nose, because I don't have a very big nose bridge, right? And so if I put them on like that, whoo, yeah, they're gripping. I feel like they're a monocle. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. Thanks for the free parking. But they are really close to my eyes. Obviously, if you have a different type of face, maybe a deeper nose bridge. But you know what? They're staying on. I wouldn't say that these are probably the most comfortable things because they do feel rough where I am attaching them to my nose. But at least they'll stay on. And I would say that obviously these aren't the type of thing that you will want for maybe long-term use. You know, you don't necessarily want to use these to read the newspaper or read a good book or something like that. But what I can see these used for is that if you can't read things up close and you are going out and you just want to have the capability when you need to see things up close, let's say you're going sightseeing, you're on vacation, but every now and then you might want to glance at your map and you need to see some small print. These are the perfect kind of thing because whether they stay on your nose, not so well on me, but whether they stay on your nose or not, you can just hold them up to your eye, and then you'll get that nearsightedness so that you are not incapable of reading things up close. So I can see these as more of a convenience, something that you can have with you all the time. So you can see I can just kind of force them back in like that, and then boom, they're gone. So these are super compact, super easy to take with you, to kind of have with you at all times. And so it's something that might be a great pair of backups, you know. Like I said, put it in your briefcase, your backpack, those types of things, and never worry about, do I have my reading glasses? Can I see things? If I can't replace them at the store, you know, you'll always have that capability to see up close with you. So I think they're pretty cool. Just like this. I'll tell you what, they're the coolest pair of glasses I've ever seen. Hey, if you want to pick these up, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.
These are the smallest glass.